And welcome for today's video. I am Devendra Mato welcoming you to my YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna try to discuss about how if you have changed your habit, then you face some of the problem, that how can you will deal it about yourself. So that in today's video we are trying to say about and trying to overcome and find the niche and find the point where we can the problem that we have with us. So that this was the initiated that we have to taken in ourselves. For example, after from few days ago I have just started the channel for the improving in your habits, for making the consistency, for making the discipline, for making the self motivated person, not to get a demotivated person, become a consistent person, and so much thing topics that I have covered with the self or not to get distracted into the social media platform, and lots of topic that I have discussed in front of the camera. So that after talking with lots of conversation, I have something confidence about myself that I can say something and I have something informative idea that I express in front of you. So that after some time my habit was continue toward myself that I can record the video for more than 10 to 20 minutes, so that I will say something about myself, and that was I know about myself. Sometime it reached to 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 40 minutes, sometimes 1 hours also. But after some time I get my time, the recording time was decreases to 5 minutes, because something not to personal reason, but something my mindset was not to talk about myself. But in tomorrow's video I was not attracted toward it and not try to say something about myself, and not to say something the type of expression that we I have to need it. But the thing is that always need that if you have to be so much consistent toward your job, because if you like or don't like, just do it and just started and just becoming to be the consistent toward your job. Never wanted yourself to becoming to be the person who cannot create the videos and who cannot wanted to, because in this type of videos we have no lots of pressure for ourselves and not to do the lots of physical activity for these things. So that there was having something criteria about ourselves, that always try to take a decision for ourselves, that to become a consistent. Because if you have consistent your habit and making a habit, always remember that doing a same thing or doing practicing a minute change in your life with the 66 days your habit can change from bad habits to from good habits. So that how I can create something from problems to adopting the habit of recording the videos and speaking in english for english speaking communication. But after speaking it I have make it so much easy, so much easyable and so much valuable content. So that in my mind I strike that I wanted to reach my communication skills, that I have to be very much fluent, who can any of the person who wanted to hear me, who can always seem that something informative, something quality based information that can be delivered for myself. So that I want so that I tried my best toward myself, and place of the I get a place so that I can talk with myself, and after talking I will receive the information and give the information to the people who are listening me, and I was talking to any person. So that coming from the self improvement, we have to take a decision, or we have to take a 5 steps toward ourselves, that how we can make a disciplined life, and how we can becoming to be the person of successful person and healthy brain people. For example, if everyone becoming to be the successful person, they cannot becoming to be the healthy person, and after that they pay the money for, they pay for their health for the into the for the doctor. So that how, why you can paying, if you are a student, if you are a job person, if you are any of the type of person, if you are doing anything. So my kindly request is to eat the some healthy foods, and the second thing is to do the exercise at least one time or at least two time in your days. Because if you doing your exercises, your body can fits, and your brain the performance of your brain was so much easily could be happen, or the anything that you can try to discuss, anything that you can try to solve it, you can do it easily by yourself. So that how it could be very much important for the exercise. And also so that after eating a very much good food, it was also to be very much important in your life. For example, if you eat any of the junk food, and if you are just eating the junk food, the obesity level of your body was also get increases, and so, lots of problem, lots of issue with yourself, such as having problem into the breathing, having problem into the body energy level. For example, let's a person who can doing the regular exercises, but also eating the food, healthy food. For example, eating bananas, eating chanas, eating pulses, eating lots of sorry to say, I cannot get the point. Lots of healthy food items, that was very much healthy for ourselves, so that after eating it, the energy level of the body was also get very much higher, so that the energy that you have to needed for the conversation, for any of the type of job, then your the energy level was bombarding from yourself, so that it was very much important for yourself to becoming to be the healthy person for your lifestyle. And always I was always trying to say that not do not receive a goal for yourself that just to clear any examination. Go for running not for any of the clearing the examination. Go for running only to make a lifestyle life part of this yourself. Because if you have to trying to run with yourself and running and doing exercises, it's a part of your life, then you making then you adopting a physical health, or not to say, or physical health, or becoming to be the making a good personal life and a good healthy life. For that, this was how it could be important for your life and daily maintenance. And another point is that we can also be becoming to be the self motivated person, and whenever we can take a exercise for ourselves. Because if any of the tension, pressure, and lots of the time that we have a strike in our brains, we have lots of problem with discussing about ourselves, so much depressed whenever we are sitting. For example, let's suppose a boy who was just sitting in and preparation for the examination and doing everything that he can do, but not doing the exercises, not doing a single work for physical work for himself. After some time he gets lots of depression, lots of anxiety for himself, and not try to get some anything about himself, and does not try to take any of the work with him. So that this could be very much important in our life, that how we can also be coming to be the very much important self motivated person. So that for coming to the self motivation and consistency, we have to very much stick toward our goal. And any of the let's suppose that any of the another work that your friend callings you to let's move on, let's work out, let's going for the walk, and let's discuss, let's meet up, everything that your friend called me he you for yourself, just ignore them. And sometime your friends always say that you are just why do you are doing, you have a lots of money, so that you cannot come with us. Then forget themselves and just focus upon yourself, because no one pay for yourself and no one pay for your family members, so that you can earn money. And also for in my brain that I always say that, or not always in my brain, that I doesn't live like a poor, I die like a poor, but I doesn't try or doesn't becoming to be the poor. Because if you have to becoming to be poor, you have a lots of struggle in your life. Because like suppose that if I wanted to purchase a sorry to say purchase sweets, but I have no money, I was not eligible to purchase it. Because in my mind I strike that while I getting to purchase the sweets, my mind says that this money will be needed for the future time, for that my present help for my English for sorry for my education, for my tuition, for any of the field that I have, so that my money level get paused and getting off for my work. So that it could be very much important for ourselves, that becoming to be the financially independent. Because if you have the financially independent for your life, then you're becoming to be the high paying person, or not to say becoming to be the high paying person, but if you have something earning money, then you pay yourself such that hourly, and I say that what type of money that you have, pay for yourself for 1 hour. Because if you have the money, you can create it that whenever you earn money, first of all you have to provide the service of sell the product. If you have provide the service, then what should be the your initial price for yourself, that you can create yourself to becoming to be the selling person with the how much price that you have. So that it was so much important for ourselves that to learn that type of skill, so that we have the courage to say something about we have charged 1 hour, we have charged more than 1000 rupees for 1 hour. So that it could be very much important, that has to be listened to ourselves, that becoming to be the good speaking, first of all not to say good speaking, but becoming a good skills with ourselves. But also the communication was very much important for every person. So that I have firstly just to start the YouTube channel for the English conversation, for any of the conversation that I wanted to try to speak with any person, so that how it could be important for myself. And another point, so that we have to be discuss about ourselves, that the views doesn't matter, but first of all you have to be doesn't get to motivated into the starts of the 200 to 300 videos, because you have your face was currently new, and no one and for the coming people, so no one doesn't like your face, like you are showing look like a very good person. But after time you are doing regular activity, regular making videos, people can see you as people who can making the videos again and again. The recommendation for your videos was coming again and again, so that people wanted to like your videos, and want after seeing more than 100 video a single time, they can touch it and they can view it. So that how the connection build for yourself, and always consistent how matter. And this channel was I made it because learning skill was also very much important. For example, if you have any of the skills, let's suppose that a person having skill in the Excel, a person have a skill in the thumbnail design, a person having skill in the sorry to say video editing, skill in the web development, website design, lots of skills. But they cannot try to they was not able to sell them, because they gain the skills, they do very well, but they will not able to sell their services as according to as according, because they have lots of problem with them. For example, lots of problem, not to say because they cannot sell, they cannot speak with people, they was not fluent in English. Because I was also becoming to be the type of person of introvert, because I was coming back, I was going outward from my house, I was something say anything about myself, I was hesitate lots of time. So that how it could be strike toward my mind, and taking a pressure in my mind, that why I can hesitate into the out of my house and going market. I was so much hesitated from my conversation. So that I would always try to speak in English in front of camera for next 100 days, for next 60 days, and lots of time that I have discussed in ourselves. So that I wanted to take upload a video for this. I just wanted to create, if my future goal was to coming to the YouTube channel with a better version. But I also tried to myself that creating a YouTube channel or uploading a video, I make it as a part of my life. For example, if I make it for my part of life, then I have a potential in myself, that how I could important for myself, and how I was eligible to conversate people, how I have lots of confidence for myself. For example, not to increasing confidence, but there could be having a lifestyle blog for yourself, because I look like today, how much I was looking to be, what type of expression that I have, how I look beautiful, how my expression today is, what type of changes that was coming to in my life, that could be all could be recorded in front of my camera. And after the time of 1 year ago and 1 year after, that recorded video can I see that what type of person I have and what type of person I becoming to be. So that I wanted to becoming to be the part of the life as a YouTuber. For example, I say that this will helping. First of all example is that I just try to record my videos as a vlog for taking myself to becoming to the part or to becoming to be as a viewer, as a attention grab people, so that what type of quality that I deliver. But in today's video, the video was coming to the 15 minutes, so that I wanted to extend the video for 5 minutes extra. So that another point is that how we can becoming to be self motivated. Self motivation also could be very much important. For example, if you record the video and saying something about yourself and talking about yourself, you have to also becoming to be suffering from the self motivation. For example, for doing any of the job, any of the learning skills, any of the study that you have to do, you need self motivation. For example, why you need to do it? For example, let's suppose that a student who was wanted to becoming to be a doctor and preparing for the NEET examination, they need to be self disciplined and self motivated for himself, and lots of study for himself. For after he have to be सॉरी टू से, मन लगता है नहीं लगता है फिर भी तुम्हें उस चीज़ को करना पड़ेगा, मजबूरी है तुम्हारी। मजबूरी नहीं कह सकता, अगर तुम्हें किसी चीज़ को शिद्दत से पाना है तो भाई उसके लिए निष्ठापूर्वक जी जान लगा देने पड़ती है। सो दैट it was also to be very much important. But I also coming to my point that I wanted to be coming to be the type of person for getting a salary of more than 1 lakh. This is my primary goal for myself, because I was belonging to the type of family who was very much poor, and in my mindset that I have to try to do my provide my services as I am skilled to for myself, so that I can pay any of the person who I have that can paying the money for myself for more than 1 lakh rupees, so that I whenever I was get eligible, so that how it could be important for myself. And lots of time we have a discussion about ourselves, that first of all everyone says that we can better ourselves, after that we can conversate with ourselves, and after that we can record our video. For those one, I was just to say that just make the videos and just upload it, because whenever you start then you find the error for yourself, but if you find the excellence, then you never do your work for as. For example, I was from past of the days, I was just supposing about myself that I can change myself whenever, then I try to upload my video. But change is not merely a illusion, because if you want to change your life for the English conversation, then you have to first of all focusing upon yourself, that how much mistakes did you have, just to focus upon the mistakes that you can do it, and the changes that you can, and the improvement that you can be taking for yourself, so that how it could be important. And another points that you have to be discussed, that always self motivation has to be covered, and discipline also. For example, discipline also very much important. Whenever your friends calling you to just to go for an evening walk, go for a morning walk, just to go for the parties and doing lots of career better for you, but just to say them no. Because if you have focusing upon yourself more than 1 year, then you find out about yourself that you are becoming to be the type of person from zero to something place that you have to be stayed. So that and self motivation, but also to doing the regular activity with consistently and doing the hard work, so that how it could be important for myself. Doing the hard work also very much important, and learning skills also be very much important. Always try to learn something, so that people can attract you. And I wanted just uh, conversate with myself for more than 100 videos, for more than 200 videos. After that conversation, I reach the place where I have the something quality that I can deliver for myself. And so that after conversation with more than 20 minutes for every day, I tried myself to becoming to be the shorts creator for my channel. So that or a Hindi conversation I started. I think that this is my English communication channel, but after some time I my future goal was to start YouTube channel with Hindi conversation, because for conversation with people, English plus Hindi, both the language was very much important. For example, foreign clients need the English conversation for the their clients, for their deals. But coming to the another point, for the discussion for the Indian clients or Pakistan clients or near about ourselves, they always try to communicate with the Hindi language. But some people wants the English communication, but some of the like the Hindi communication. So that how it could be so much important for ourselves to growing like a communicating people with lots of ideas. So that after that I wanted to improve my editing skills, because in my phone I have lots of problem in rendering, for example exporting the videos. While I wanted to edit my video, for example in VN, the video was could not be edited. If I edit the video was edited, but after coming from the export, the video was not eligible for export. The file was say that doesn't exist, they cannot say rendering it. So that how I cannot edit my video, the sound that I wanted to take in my background, that I was not eligible to include it. So that this was the struggle that we have. But don't worry about it, we can cover it into the future by doing lots of thing and lots of expendable information from ourselves. I get in information from myself by the three of the YouTuber. I genuinely named for themselves that. First of all, the Anuj Panchal, a doctor who have started a YouTube channel, who was, and he was a doctor, and he was doing, and he was a mentor for the student, for the NEET student, for MBBS student, and lots of career opportunity. He was a YouTuber, he has a scholarship, he has a app for teaching students, and lots of career things. So that I also wanted that money that you want to reach, you cannot reach by a single job. If you have to reach money, then you have to create a lots of small work. For example, let's suppose you have a work for any of the job, but you have pay only 10,000 rupees from this job, but you have spreading about your job online as a lots of career opportunity. For example, making videos on Instagram, making videos on YouTube, making videos on LinkedIn profile, selling your profile in LinkedIn, becoming a freelancer. For that and for four of the places you earn not more than for 5,000, okay. But 5,000, but into the four of the section you earn the money for 20,000. So that how it could be important to be the becoming to be the job as a more than uh, more job. Because if you have wanted to job, it could not be eligible. Because if you have the skill, then you can create a service. First of all, you have to identify that you was not enrolled into the job. You have to becoming to be the part of the service that you have to deliver, the service that you wanted to give out from yourself. So that in past of the videos I say that I was preparing for government examination, because I wanted to reach my becoming to be a part of government parts, because for the money. Because I wanted to learn about myself that I can earn money whenever I go to the government exam. Because my environment, all people say that every person who has to be earn money, they always go for the government exam. After that they can earn money. So that I take an initial step that I will earn money in the future whenever I have the whenever I have the money. So that I wanted to earn money more, because of taking us more than four thing. So that skills to be very much important. So after doing lots of struggle and doing lots of conversation, we are coming to the end of the point, and also coming to the end of the point. Also a YouTuber called Jadoo Kisku, he was also motivated me. Because nothing matter what type of surrounding you have, what type of environment you have, just a motivation from yourself and from your side, and just started for yourself and record the video, say something. Because this was a platform, I think that YouTube was a platform where no matter you are how much rich, no matter how you are poor, no matter how you have money, how you have no, just a platform to share about yourself and saying anything that you can doing the mistakes. People or public that you can hear you, they always find out yourself that how can you have doing the mistakes, and they can corrected you for yourself. and so that how it could be important to becoming to be the part of my video and part of my subscriber, so that this was also to be very much important. And this is for today's video. Thanking you, and bye bye.